Hello, hello. Live from Savannah, Georgia. Here on the river walk off of River Street. Just walking back from dinner. Wanted to share this phenomenal sunset. You gotta check this out. Look at that. Little different than Florida, South Florida. Gorgeous. Watched, I don't know where it went, but we watched a giant cargo ship come in to port. But it is just beautiful here. There's hardly anyone out. Apparently this is the slow season. So if you have plans to come to Savannah, this is the time. It is wonderful. I don't know if you're like me, but I like to go places in the low season when there's nobody there. But this is just a phenomenal sunset, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is cold though. A little different than South Florida. We left this morning. It was cold, but it's been in the 70s, I think. But I'm gonna walk. It's not as beautiful this way, but I'm gonna walk this way. I'll take you guys with me a little bit. This is my second time here. Last time I think it was in 2014 or 2015. So if you have food recommendations, if you have recommendations on things to do, send them my way. And if you don't, enjoy this view with me. But I'm gonna walk fast because it's chilly. But I just had to share that sunset with you guys. It is just phenomenal. I'm going to do a live tomorrow during the day. But it is so pretty tonight. But yeah, if you've been here, send me your food recs. I know last time I was here, I did make it to Tybee Island. I know that's really popular. And I feel like I had some sort of pancakes with granola baked into it. But I can't remember where that was. If you're just now joining, this is a little bit different than Florida, South Florida. I'm here in Savannah, Georgia. Walking back from dinner. I ate at the River Grill, Nick's River Grill. Phenomenal. Best fried green tomatoes of my life. Served over grits. But yeah, drop your food recs if you have them. And if you have any kind of touristy kind of things that you recommend doing. This is kind of one of the first trips in a while I haven't really planned anything. So we'll see. Usually I have kind of like a bucket list on my phone of the best things to do, but I didn't really do that for this trip. This was kind of a spontaneous little trip. But I forgot how good the food is. Very southern. Visit Hilton Head. I need to make it there. My dream is to go to Bald Head Island, which I think is off of Hilton Head, but it's down the intercoastal. One day I'm gonna get a boat and I'm gonna sail to it. But maybe we'll go to Hilton Head before then. But it is just beautiful here. I forgot how pretty it is here. Is it this pretty in Hilton Head or is it prettier? You have to tell me. I was just in, both North and South Carolina, and I loved it. I was there in August, very hot in Savannah. Yeah, I would not probably come here in the summer. It's chilly now. It's probably high 50s, I think, right now. I'm freezing. But I'm always cold. That's why I live in Florida. If I have to put pants on, I'm cold. Whew. What did you do when you were here in August, Dee Dee? Anything fun? I want to do one of these riverboat cruises. It seems cool, but they were all sold out online. I'll have to look again. Let's see. But there's no one here. It's nice. The streets are kind of empty. The restaurant did fill up, but it wasn't rowdy or anything. The waiter did tell us that this place Spanky's here. I don't know if you can see it, but apparently they invented the chicken tender. Isn't that crazy? Just enjoying the Savannah sunset for those who are joining. Walking back from dinner. This is River Street. But yeah, I'm going to try this place, I think, before we leave. The inventor of the chicken tender. And hopefully we'll get to go on this riverboat cruise tomorrow. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. But it's there. Catch the last of the sunset in Savannah. I'm going to do a live tomorrow during the day, but it was so pretty. I thought I would do a live as I walk back. And here's all the shops on River Street. But it is dead. There's no one. It's nice. Let's see if I can go back down to the water because the view is way better.
But yeah, so
this is all shops. I've never eaten at any of these places, and I can't tell you the places that I ate at last time. I need to look on my Instagram. Let's see. Yep, so that's River Street, and it goes, we walked all the way down to it. You can walk almost all the way down to the bridge. Let me go back down to the bridge area. This is in Savannah, Georgia. For those who just joined, I'm gonna loop back around so I can be on the water, and I think we'll be able to catch like the last rays of the sunset. It is just beautiful. And then this is River Street. This is like the popular street with all the shops and restaurants and stuff. Let's see, let's get out of the water. And then I think this is the Savannah River. That's what it's called. It is cold. It's much warmer in Florida today. Alright, so let's see. We should be able to go right down here. And then when I pan around, you'll be able to see the bridge in the background. Apparently it's like one of the, I guess it's the third largest port on this side of the U.S. It is cold, guys. All right, let's see. So this boardwalk runs probably 3 miles, maybe. Both directions too. So this way, and then you can take it almost all the way to that bridge. It's pretty far, but it's lined with restaurants and shops and hotels. It's pretty cool. And then I think that's like the beginning of the port. And then more hotels over there. Did the riverboat, saw the cathedral, and visited a plantation. Oh, that sounds awesome. How was all of that? Is there anything you enjoyed over? Is there any activity you enjoyed more than the other? I really want to do the riverboat. I'm going to look again tomorrow and see if there's any availability. There's the riverboat, one of them right there. But yeah, it's a little, I think there's just a hotel this way. But it looks like it goes real far out there. I think tomorrow I'll probably go live and walk both ways. But yeah, just wanted to share that fabulous sunset, and hope everyone's having a great night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow during the day when we can see more. Be careful, it's dangerous at night in that area. Is it? Okay. Then I will hightail it back to the hotel. It seemed a little rough, kind of further down. Enjoyed hanging out on the river. So thanks, Jason. Enjoyed hanging out on the river. Stayed right. Oh, we went into the Marriott. They had, if it's the same Marriott, they had crystals, like giant crystals. I'll post on my feed, but they had like a 10-foot crystals. It was insane. I think we're going to extend our stay, so maybe we'll stay there. But I'm going to take Jason's advice, and I'm going to head back inside since this area is maybe a bit dangerous. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you all have a good night. And stay warm. If you're in Georgia, good God, it's cold. See y'all.